My puppy was really cute for like 10 minutes. She had pearls and everything. Why are they all over the floor? Because she needed to chew on them. And now she over here looking like, what happened? What happened, puppy? What'd you do? Why are your pearls on the floor? Huh? Why are your pearls on the floor? Now I gotta stop what I'm doing to go sweep them up. Because do you want me to fall down like a cartoon? And you liked them pearls too, didn't you? Now you don't have them anymore. Because you wanted to play Chewy Chewy. And you're just going to sit here with your cute little bow and your cute little face and think about what you've done. These kids, I tell you. I didn't even get a good picture. Like, I didn't even get a good picture. And they're gone. They're gone, puppy. They're gone. You had to chew them.